All right, Daytona, we're out here in sunny weather, getting ready for the Daytona 500. Today we're about to be doing a small garage, small patio area. I'll be using the tidal wave color. I'm sure you can hear the jets going by right now. A little burst of freedom going around. So today, be myself and Jeff. We're gonna knock this out. One-day job. We'll fill you in as we go through. As you can see, we got about 42 square feet out here. Patio area we're gonna do. It's gonna be a nice Polyaspartic. Got a nice little garage with some stem walls that are gonna go up. Nice little entryway here. Be real nice. Clients, they selected tidal wave, so a little bit of gray, a little bit of blue. Should look pretty good when we're all said and done here.
Okay, so right here you can see we are filling in all the control joints and all the cracks. This is going to give it a nice seamless floor look. It'll make the maintenance and cleaning way easier.
All right, everybody, Ollie back over here. We got this thing prepped down to the cream. You can see it. Looking good. Took a little bit of time to break through that sealer. We got it up on the cross cut, but you can see this is gonna be one seamless floor. Be like one big piece of tile. It's gonna look real good. Get these stem walls nice and done. All about here to the front of the garage, and then we'll show you this patio here in a second.
So right here we got this 72% solids top coat Polyaspartic, and this one is complete right here. Matches the house good. Right now currently we're waiting on the fast dry epoxy in here to dry. Go around the edges, poly it, and go ahead and put our 100% solids Polyaspartic top coat. And as you can see, here's the completed floor. You can see right in those tight areas, we're able to get 100% flake, good coverage. The floor has a nice even sheen all the way across. As you can see, it's super nice not having the control joints in there. Way easier cleaning over here in front of the door. Also super good sheen and nice grip with the texture. And that's it for this. We'll see you on the next one.